Hi children, today we are going to learn about statistics. Already we learnt in previous class ninth about statistics. What is the range, what is the class mark, how to draw the graphs, everything we learnt. How to change class intervals to boundaries and how to find out mean, median, mode. Now in this class we have to find out mean, median, mode with different methods and graph also. Now what is the statistics is a branch of mathematics which deals with collection, organization, presentation, analysis, interpretation of numerical data means what? Information, collection of information for definite purpose, collection of data, like a collection of information for definite uh, topic. Now that how to we organize, first we have to collect the data, then organize, then analysis and interpretation. That is called statistics. This is the most important in our life. Now measure of central tendency. What is central tendency? Average value of any statistical series. Suppose if you take one classroom, one class 40 students are there. How you will find out the average mark of that class? Means we have to add all the marks, 40 students marks, and divided by 40 you will get the average of that mark. Suppose if you take shoe, size of shoe, it is we have to take as a mode, means frequently occurring or observation we called mode. Mode means what? Which observation is most frequently occurring, that observation we take as a mode. Then shoe means which size of shoe the children are using. More children are using, that number we can tell as a central tendency of that series, that statistical series. Now suppose salaries means we have to take median. Median means what? We have to write in ascending or descending order. Then middle value of that observations we can take as a median. That is also one of the central tendency. Central tendency means what? Average value of any statistical series. Then measure means what? Methods. Then types of central tendency: mean, median, mode. Measure of central tendency is a typical value of the data around which other observations congregate. Then all observations we will assemble, we will take all the observations. From that we will take average value. That is called a central tendency, measure of central tendency. How many types of central tendencies are there? 3. Mean, median, mode. Today we are going to learn mean. Mean means what? Sum of observations by number of observations. That is raw data. Raw data means suppose 1 week temperature, 1 month rainfall. Like that we have to take some minimum quantity. Then large quantity we can't take as a raw data. We have to change that raw data as grouped data. And we can find out that mean, median, mode. For raw data, what is the mean? Sum of observations by number of observations. Height of the average height of classroom, class 9th, class 10th. Then we can do, because that number of observations are less. Then if the number of observations quantity is more, then we have to go for grouped data. Now what are the grouped data methods? 3 methods are there in finding the mean. First method, direct method, sigma fx by sigma f, sigma fx by sigma f. Then arithmetic mean by assumed mean method, a plus sigma fd by sigma f. Third method, arithmetic mean by step deviation method, a plus sigma fu by sigma f into h. Then mean we have to represent by x bar, small x bar. Now these are the arithmetic mean methods. How many methods are there? 3 methods. Direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. When we will take direct method, the quantities are small quantities, we can take direct. Then large quantities we can't take. Then we can take by step deviation method. We have to take step deviation method for large quantities. Now we will see that problems related to arithmetic mean.